Hi everyone, here's a little video on the Volvo XC60 and how to remove the lower suspension control arms in the front. Now the best is take your caliper off. First step, put it away. You got to take these bolts off for the inner mudguard up to here. There's a little tray that has to be taken off. That's this part here. Then you take the main strut bolt, you got to take that off. You got to undo the bracket for the brake hose, unclip the suspension solenoid. You've got to unbolt this little bracket here, move everything out of the way. Then you unbolt the linkage for the sway bar. Then you have to unbolt this bolt here. This one has a nut on top of it. I'll get to that in a second. You got to take this bolt off and this one. So this one, you zoom in, you can see it's here. It has a nut on it. So there is no way you can remove this bracket here, this aluminium bracket, without pressing that stud out. And I'm using a clamp here, putting that on here, putting that on there, and then maybe this way here, and then I'm pressing this out by screwing this thing in. Once you've done that, you've taken all these bolts out. Take the airline off for the ones that have air suspension, and then on top of it you take the 3 bolts out that hold the strut in. Then of course you take the center bolt out for the drive shaft, so you can move everything out of the way, and then you're good to go and can put it all back together, and then it's going to look like this. Right, that's all. Have fun.